Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is now lesson number 13 in learning how to read notes on the staffs. Now, in the last couple of lessons, I had gone through some of the higher notes on the staffs, and you'll recall a couple lessons back when we were talking about the higher E up here and the F. So I'm going to label E and F. Now, what I want to teach you today is the note following that, which of course once again goes up in a straight line, the scale. Here is the G. Now, let me grab the eraser here, and you will again make note, no pun intended, that the G is up there and it rests on the very top of this line. See how it's just touching it, but it's not going through the line. Again, the one that the line goes through is the F. And also, I always love to do these lessons in such a way to where the notes are next door to each other so you can compare and contrast them. Again, part of the goal of all of these lessons is only to put in just a couple of notes to learn each time, or in sometimes, in some cases, even just one note, because I really feel that this helps your learning process. So now what I'd like to do, and again, repetition is the key, is I'm going to draw the F and the G as they relate to each other. Draw a little line like a measure line there. F, G. And as you can see, that G in all cases is always right there on the top of the line. Now, in the lesson prior, we learned down here in the bass, if you recall, the A, which is in the first space here, and this G. Again, they look quite different from one another, you know, these down here versus these up here. But again, just like the A and then the G goes backwards here, it goes forwards up here, F to G. Because again, in our musical alphabet, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts to repeat over and over. Now, in the lessons coming up, I'll show you even higher, but right now, just to show you a hint, here we have the musical alphabet, F, G, and then guess what? This note up here is going to be A because it starts over. But in this lesson, I mainly wanted to emphasize that upper G. And again, another neat thing that you can do to help is to grab some staff paper of your own and, you know, write it out many, many times, because repetition is one of the great keys to learning. And here we have the G drawn over and over again up on that top line. So again, I hope in this lesson you will be able to master the G, and in this series always go back, take a look at the others if you have any gaps, because I'm trying to do them in a very progressive fashion. And anyway, in the next lessons we will learn even more notes, and I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.